Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make this delicious banana avocado smoothie.
Here are the ingredients.
1 ripe banana, and the more ripe it is, the sweeter it will be. 1/2 of an avocado, coconut milk, and ice. And there's my banana. I'll put 1 cup of milk. 1 cup of ice, and 1/2 of an avocado. All right, the next you just blend it up, and I'll start on slow. All right, then you just pour it in. It's creamy, healthy, it's not too sweet, and with the avocado, it's really filling. And last of all, it's delicious.